Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by, for taking the time to subscribe, and now for mailing me some mail. I have a P.O Box now, which is at the end of every video. What are we looking at, guys? Bonjour, bienvenue tout le monde. On regarde les lunes galiléennes de Jupiter, Ganymede. So we're looking at Ganymede. That's right. Do people live there? I think so. Who knows, right? It'd be nice to know. Small signs of atmosphere also, because they say that there is a little bit of atmosphere in all the atmosphere around each of the Galilean moons. There must be some oxygen around Jupiter, right? And we're talking about a planet that's pretty close to the sun. So we're gonna get some nice music up on this video. Well, just a couple of shots of a minute or two yet of Ganymede. As we get in very close, we're going to look at, actually before getting some music up, I'm going to stick around. We're going to go look at a UFO beside Jupiter, but another flash at the same time as the UFO is going by. See the nice close-ups of Ganymede? You got to like it, I guess. You got to appreciate it, because I love it. That's why I'm showing it, because I love seeing the atmosphere, the colors, even, we don't know half of anything about anything that's off of Earth, but it's just so beautiful to see and to get a chance. Here it is, guys. This is the UFO that I captured only a couple of weeks ago, and check it out. I saw a recent person zooming in on the video that posted the video, Walson, but didn't show anything in the video. You got to show people some UFOs, guys, because there are some UFOs out there, and check it out, going by one of the moons and underneath Jupiter. So let's get in a lot closer to see, still having problems with my voice here. Let's get in a lot closer so that we can seriously see this object going by. And I'm going to show you that, again, the closer you get, slowing down the footage even more. Watch this, guys. There's another light beside it. The flash is quite apparent. You'll see it. Watch this. So it's going by on its trajectory. Some other things appearing here and there, but then this appears there. It's not much, you say, right? But still, nonetheless, it's following this UFO. There was another one going by before this one went by, but not very easy to see. I didn't even take the time to show it. Doesn't matter. We'll be seeing more and more objects every time we go up. There's always something that we can see. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's go see the moon right after this. bright, towering, illuminated object on the square base. It's always there. At the end of one of the supposed ejecta strands of Kepler crater there, the longest branch of Kepler crater, it's always there. And it's hard to see, has a square base. I'm going to see it upside down now, the other way around, which is right side up, because I started upside down. You guys mixed up yet? We're going up over Kepler crater, and you'll see one of the supposed ejecta strands here. Watch this. There it is right there. Really is a square or diamond shape. You know, we're seeing angles, real angles on the surface. Well, Mare Imbrium, the supposed Apollo 11 landing, you can see it very well, the entire mare there. Look at the details on the surface, different levels, darker areas, patches, whatever you want. You can see a lot of detail there. Thanks so much for stopping by, everyone, the support, for watching. And don't forget, if you guys want to mail me anything at all, important information, documents, a picture of you with a cup, a shirt. I'm going to get all a nice collection up and share that with everyone here. Of course, don't send any personal things that you don't want to be shown, or drop me in a letter that anything personal that you do not want to be shown. I will respect your wishes, guys. I know a lot of you wanted me to get a mailing address up, and actually, yeah, some things I'm not talking about right now because I'm going to get some important things from a few friends here to help with the channel. A lot of new guys always working hard. And thanks to the community for everything, the help. It's because of you guys that any channel is up, and I have an amazing community. support of each and every one of you, and I appreciate it. Love you, each and every one of you. But stick around, a lot more on the way. And Friday live stream coming up. I'll have the telescope, Big Mama, set up for you guys to get a good look at it, because I don't get it up too often. Thanks for watching, everyone. Christina Garalma Pertuis. Christina, merci beaucoup pour les généreuses contributions, puis d'être dans la communauté, c'est bien apprécié. Thanks so much, Christina. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they're mining really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. They're spying really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon.
This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
For anything and everything, for whatever the reason you want to send me something, P.O Box 341 in Valleyfield, Quebec. The postal code is J6S4V6. My name is Bruce Swartz.